On the southwestern edge of the Taklamakan Desert, over 2 million PV modules sparkle in the sunlight, forming a blue sea in the desert and supplying a continuous stream of clean energy. Located in Kunyu, Xinjiang Uyghur Autonomous Region, on the southern edge of the Taklamakan Desert, the Datang Kunyu 1 gigawatt photovoltaic base lies in a region with scarce rainfall, abundant sunshine, and large daily temperature swings. With a construction capacity of 1 gigawatt and covering approximately 2,067 hectares, the project is one of the landmark projects in Kunyu, showcasing a new model of PV-based desert governance. The modules are installed at a minimum height of 1.5 meters and a maximum height of 3 meters above the ground, effectively blocking wind and sand. Das Solar, the project's largest module supplier, provided 800 megawatts of panels for the installation. Its high-efficiency modules are highly resistant to wear and corrosion, capable of withstanding the harsh desert environment, while maintaining reliable performance under extreme conditions. Upon operation, the project will supply 2 billion kilowatt-hours of green electricity to the grid annually, equivalent to saving approximately 600,000 tons of standard coal and reducing carbon dioxide emissions by about 1.572 million tons. It will further help optimize the regional energy mix, deliver clean and renewable power to the local community, and strongly support both socio-economic development and ecological conservation. Das Solar.